How to replace a membrane keypad. Separate the platter. Separate the 4 platter supporters by disassembling the bolts. Disassemble the 4 bolts on the upper cover. Disassemble the 2 bolts on the base and separate the upper cover from the base. Separate the harness. Separate the membrane keypad from the main board after separating upper cover and base. You may easily separate the membrane keypad using a hairdryer. Don't forget to remove the remaining adhesive clearly after removing the keypad. Connect a new membrane keypad. First, attach the circuit keypad and then letter keypad. Finally, attach the clear cover. Connect the membrane keypad to the connector. Make sure to fasten them using the lever. Assemble the platter supporters. Be cautious that the platter supporters in front and back are different from each other. Use number 1 supporter for back left, number 2 for back right, number 3 for front left, and number 4 for front right. Place the platter.